Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in our solar system. It is more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined, and is so massive that it makes up more than a quarter of the total mass of the solar system. One of the first things that jumps out about Jupiter is its size. It's absolutely massive, with a diameter of about 88,846 miles. To put that into perspective, if Jupiter were a basketball, Earth would be about the size of a pea. In fact, Jupiter is so large that it could fit all the other planets in the solar system inside of it, with room to spare. But its size isn't the only thing that sets Jupiter apart. It also has some of the most striking features of any planet in the solar system. For example, it has a huge, swirling storm known as the Great Red Spot, which is a giant anticyclone that has been raging for hundreds of years. The Great Red Spot is so large it could easily swallow up the entire Earth, and it is still not fully understood by scientists. Jupiter is also home to a number of moons, many of which are quite interesting in their own right. The most famous of these is probably Europa, which is thought to have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. This has led to speculation that there may be life on Europa, and it is one of the primary targets for future exploration by NASA and other space agencies. But perhaps the most striking thing about Jupiter is its composition. It's made up of mostly hydrogen and helium, with trace amounts of methane, water, and other volatile compounds. This makes it quite different from the other planets in the solar system, which are mostly made up of rock and metal. Jupiter's atmosphere is very unique. It's made up of not just hydrogen and helium, but also clouds of ammonia and water vapour, giving the planet its distinctive appearance. The clouds are organised into bands of different colours, with the most famous being the Great Red Spot. Despite its size and distinctive features, Jupiter is not the most well-known planet in the solar system. This is partly because it's so far away from the Earth, and partly because it's not visible to the naked eye. It can only be seen with a telescope or other optical instrument, which has made it somewhat of a mystery to many people. However, thanks to advances in technology and space exploration, we now know more about Jupiter than ever before. We have sent spacecraft to the planet to study its atmosphere, moons, and other features, learning a great deal about its composition and behaviour. So, in summary, Jupiter is an absolutely massive planet with some of the most striking features of any celestial body in the solar system. It's made up of mostly hydrogen and helium, and has a unique atmosphere with clouds of ammonia and water vapour. It's home to a number of interesting moons, including Europa, which may harbour life beneath its icy crust. Despite its size and distance from Earth, we're learning more about Jupiter all the time, thanks to advances in technology and space exploration. Thanks a million for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the mighty Jupiter and all of its amazing features. If you have any questions or comments about the video, I would love to hear from you. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to me on social media. I always appreciate your feedback and engagement. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more fun and informative videos. Stay fact out there.